This is part 5 of the chapter area related to the circles, standard 10th. We will be continuing the sum. This is the 15th sum from a rectangle ABCD having length 20 centimeters and breadth 14 centimeters, a semicircular portion with BC as diameter. So this is taken as the diameter and it is cut off. We have to find the area of the remaining part. So this is fairly easy. So what we have to find? We have to find first area of the rectangle. It is simply length into breadth, means length into breadth into 14. So this is 280 centimeters square. Then the diameter of the circle is 14 centimeters. So the area of the semicircle which has been formed, which is cut off, is given as pi r square upon 2. So this is 22 by 7 into diameter is 14, means radius is 7 centimeters, 7 into 7 upon 2. So this we are getting as 77 centimeters square. Therefore the area of the remaining portion will be this 280 minus 77, means 203 centimeters square. So that's the answer. So going forward, the next sum, the 16th sum, in the given figure AOBCA represents a quadrant of a circle. It's given it's a quadrant of a circle with center O. We have to calculate the area of the shaded region. Now means from that we have to subtract the area of triangle AOD. So first we will find area of the quadrant. So area of the quadrant is given by pi r square by 4. So this is 22 by 7 into r square, 3.5 into 3.5 upon 4. So this we are getting as 9.625 centimeters square. Then we have to find area of triangle AOD. It is nothing but half into, this is the base and this is the height. So it is 3.5 centimeters square. Therefore area of the shaded portion, it is area of quadrant minus area of the triangle. So we are getting 6.125 centimeters square as our answer. So this is the required one. Now the 17th one, 4 equal circles are described means they are drawn about 4 corners of a square such that each touches the other two. You have to find the area of the center, which is the shaded region, if the side of the square is 14 centimeters. So the first is what we'll find the area of the square. Area of the square is given by 14 square, means 196 centimeters square. Now there are 4 quadrants. So area of each quadrant is given by pi r square by 4. So here r is 7 centimeters. So it is 7 into 7 upon 4. So we are getting 38.5 centimeters square, but there are 4 quadrants. So therefore area of 4 quadrants means it is 4 into 38.5, means it comes to 154 centimeters square. Now for finding the shaded area, so area of shaded portion we have to simply subtract these four quadrants from the area of the square. We are getting 42 centimeters square. So that's the required area. Now the 18th sum is like this. Find the area of the given figure. So what is the given figure? You have a big circle, a semicircle with diameter 14 centimeters. The radius is 14 centimeters, not the diameter. So this part is given as 14 centimeters. So we will write area of the bigger semicircle. So it is pi r square by 4, pi r square by 2. So 14 is the radius. So 14 into 14 upon 2, 7 2s are 14. So 22 into 14. So we are getting 308 centimeters square. Then the radius of each circle, small circle, there are two small circles here, this and this. This is half of the radius. So 14 divided by 2. Radius of each small circle is 14 upon 2 means 7 centimeters. So the area of two small circles, now these are two small semicircles, will be given as 2 into pi into r square upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled out, 7 will get cancelled out. So it is 154 centimeters square. So for finding the total area of the figure, we simply have to add all these semicircles. Total area of the figure will be 308 plus 154. So that is 462 centimeters square, which is the required answer. So now we go to the next sum. So an athletic track, it is 14 meters wide. It consists of two straight sections. Now remember, this and this are the straight sections, and these are semicircles whose ends, the inner radius is given as 35. Inner radius means this, or you can even say this. It is 35 meters. Now we have to find the area of the shaded area. So we have to find the area of the track. So here we will see OB is given to us as 35 meters. So OA will be 35 plus 14, because 14 meters is the width. So the outer radius comes to be 49 meters. Now the area, so we will write here area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region is equal to area of rectangle. We will break it up into two parts, ABCD, 4 parts we can say, plus area of rectangle EFGH. So 2 rectangles plus this is 2 into, now these are two circular rings. So we will write area of, this is semicircle with radius 49 meters minus circular ring. So we can write it specific. So here also it is area of semicircle with a radius 35 meters. So this will give you R. So what is the area of this rectangle? It is length into breadth. Both are similar rectangles, plus this is also length into breadth. Now plus this becomes 2 into, we will put square brackets, this is circular ring. So pi big R square, which is 49 square, minus small r square, which is 35 square. So this is nothing but 1680 plus 1680 plus this is 2 will go inside, so this is 22 by 7 into this is a square plus b square, so 49 plus 35 into 49 minus 35, so we are getting 84 into 14, so this is 3360 plus this is 3696, so the total area of the athletic track is 7056 meter square. Now we come to the 20th sum. So APCB is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeters with AC as diameter. A semicircle is drawn. You have to find the area of the shaded region. So we will say in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, or we can also say this Pythagoras property. It is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AC square is equal to 14 square plus 14 square. So AC is nothing but 14 root 2 centimeter. So we have got the AC. AC is nothing but the diagonal. Now area of APCQA is given as area of ACQA minus area of ACPA minus area of triangle CQA minus this is area of ABCPA minus area of ABC. So this is little complicated, so but we will do this. So this is area of semicircle with AC as diameter minus this is area of quadrant, area of the quadrant with AB as radius minus area of triangle ABC. So this can be calculated easily. So we'll just put the values in square brackets. Area of semicircle means half into 22.7 into 7 root 2 square minus, now quadrant means it is 22 by 7 into 14 square upon 4 minus area of triangle is half into base into height. So this we are getting 154 minus this is 154 minus 98. So your final answer we are getting is 198 centimeter square, so which is the required area. Thank you.